So now we're probably doing around between 100 and 150,000 per month in revenue for my LA location alone. Now,
$100,000 per month from one location alone. So it's basically a location-based business. The question is, what does he do and how does he do it? According to Google AI, what they do is called remote local business. They just dispatch laborers at the job site that don't have super overhead, and they do everything remotely. And what they do is called remote local cleaning of Airbnbs. My question is, money sounds good, but does this work sound easy to you? The answer is no. The components in this business is getting laborers to do the job, marketing your business, and sell on phone. And just like me, if you don't like these things, then you can do what we call high-ticket affiliate marketing. And we are earning 5 figures per week from this. And our beginner students, just like you, earn high-ticket affiliate commissions with a 99% done-for-you system. To learn more, check my profile, the first comment and caption for a free case study.